Is your iPhone Wi-Fi dropping connections after the iOS 26.3 or later updates? Is your internet suddenly slow on your iPhone also? In this video, I'll show you 5 quick ways to fix your Wi-Fi dropping and slow internet issues on your iPhone. Solution 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on again. First, go to your settings. Now tap Wi-Fi. After that, turn off your Wi-Fi option. And now, wait 10 seconds. After that, turn it back on again. Now, check your issue. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect to the network. Go to settings, tap Wi-Fi, and tap the eye icon of your connected Wi-Fi network. Now, tap forget this network, then tap forgot. After that, try to reconnect again. After reconnecting, check your Wi-Fi issues fixes or not. If not, no issue. Move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a quick restart fixes network glitches. Quickly press on the volume up button, then volume down button, and now the power button until the Apple logo appears. After that, check your issue again. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to settings, tap general, now scroll down, now tap transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap reset. After that, tap reset network settings and enter your passcode. After that, tap reset network settings again. This will refresh your all connected network settings on your device. Solution 5. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Finally, restart your Wi-Fi router. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then reconnect your iPhone and check the connection. But if not, there's a matter of concern. Then please visit your nearest Apple's authorized service center and check what's the issue with your device. That's how you can fix your Wi-Fi dropping or slow internet speed on your iPhone after the iOS 26 or later updates. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple iPhone fixes and share with your friends who are facing the same. Thanks for watching.